In this video, I will show you how to auto-hide the taskbar in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, all you need to do is right-click on your taskbar at the bottom, and you're going to see a small window come up, which says Task Manager and Taskbar Settings. So what you want to do is click onto Taskbar Settings, and that's going to open up a window like this. From here, scroll down a bit, and you should see an option for Taskbar Behaviours. Give that a click. And what you can do on here is you're going to see an option to automatically hide the taskbar. What you want to do is tick the box, and that's going to start to auto-hide the taskbar on Windows 11. To access your taskbar, all you need to do is scroll down and the taskbar is going to pop up, and when you can move your cursor away from the taskbar, it's automatically going to hide and drop down. So that is how to auto-hide taskbar in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.